In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Firebase project. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually not inside the Firebase console. However, you want to go to your Google Cloud console. So go to console.cloud.google.com and sign in with the same Gmail account or Google account you're using inside your Firebase console, okay? So whenever you do this, you want to go to the top here and type in Manage Resources inside the search bar. When you do so, you want to click on Manage Resources over here. And then you can see here at the bottom left, it says resources pending deletion. So you want to click on this button, and in here you should be able to see your deleted projects which you can restore. Now, of course, there's a period inside which you have to go in here to be able to restore them. I do think it's around 30 days, so maybe it says somewhere over here. You can Google that, I'm not very sure, but if of course you've recently deleted your project, you'll be able to restore it from here. So click on this check mark next to the project you want to restore, and then click on restore up top. And there we go. As you can see, you can just click on restore yet again, and it's going to start restoring your project. Now, this will take a few seconds. As you can see, it's no longer inside deleted. You can then go to your console over here, refresh, and soon enough, it should appear in here as well, okay? So for me, it's still loading. It says there's 4 right now, but it's going to eventually pop up, and I'll be able to see it in here as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.